What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we have the 2022 Toyota Tundra Capstone debut as a luxury pickup that also gets a standard hybrid trim. Now, luxury pickups are big business and Toyota is throwing their hat into the ring with the all-new Tundra Capstone. Designed to push the 2022 into a upper echelon of the full-size truck segment, the Capstone is built as a new halo trim that will compete with rivals such as the GMC Sierra Denali. Now, as a part of this effort, the Capstone brings the bling as the range topper is distinguished by chrome mirror caps and 22-inch chrome wheels, which are the largest ever offered on the Tundra, and they're joined by a unique grille with chrome accents and chrome Tundra lettering on the tailgate. But turn your attention to the power running boards and the power bed step. The latter automatically deploys and provides easy access to the 5.5-foot composite bed. Now, while the Tundra Platinum and 1794 are already luxurious, the Capstone ups the ante with semi-aniline leather seats that feature an exclusive black and white design. They apparently come with heated and ventilated seats on both rows. Toyota noted that drivers will sit behind a heated leather steering wheel as well. Now, since nothing says luxury quite like wood trim, the Tundra Capstone comes outfitted with dark American walnut that graces the dashboard, doors, and center console. Now, buyers will also find a panoramic moonroof, an illuminated Capstone logo on the dash, and acoustic side glass on the front doors, which is another trim exclusive. Now, that's just scratching the surface as the truck comes equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster as well as a 14-inch audio multimedia infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. Now, other tech features include a 10-inch color heads-up display, a digital rear view mirror, a 12-speaker JBL premium audio system, and a panoramic view monitor that provides an assortment of views of the truck and its surrounds. Now, given the Capstone's range-topping status, it's not surprising to learn that the model will be offered exclusively with the Iforce Max hybrid powertrain. It features a 48 horsepower, 36 kilowatt, 49 PS electric motor, which is effectively sandwiched between a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 and a 10-speed automatic transmission. This gives the truck a combined output of 437 horsepower, 326 kilowatts, and 443 PS, and 583 pound-feet, 790 newton-meters of torque. And sticking with the performance theme, the Tundra Capstone has a maximum payload of 1,485 pounds, 674 kilograms, and a maximum towing capacity of 10,340 pounds, 4,690 kilograms. You can't find better numbers elsewhere, but the Toyota's range topper comes equipped with a standard towing technology package that includes a trailer back guidance and straight path assist. Now, customers can also opt for the adaptive variable suspension, which adjusts damping force based on road conditions. And the full details will be released closer to launch, but the Tundra Capstone will come with an assortment of driver assistance systems, including dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert, lane tracing assist, and pre-collision systems like the pedestrian detection. And other highlights include automatic high beams, roadside assist, rear seat reminder, rear cross traffic alert, and blind spot monitoring. There's also a parking support brake, which automatically applies the brakes if a collision is imminent when parking. Now, the 2022 Toyota Tundra Capstone will arrive at dealerships this spring and be available exclusively in a Crew Max configuration. There's no word on pricing at this point, but the model will slot above the 1974 trim, which begins at $57,690 before the $1,695 destination fee. So with that said, what are you guys thinking about the super lavish luxury 2022 Toyota Tundra Capstone? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the debut of the Toyota Tundra Capstone. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, just in case you guys want long sleeve shirts, you want hoodies, you want t-shirts, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.